Hey, it's been a while. Thanks for coming back. Another round of rust repair on the Comanche. Let me show you exactly what I'm hoping to get done in this video. So as you can see, we got the whole inner rocker welded in. It's still got to be grinded down just a little bit in certain spots. So we're going to start on the outer rocker today. But before I do so, there's some surface rust on the inside of the cab corner. So I bought some rust encapsulator from Eastwood that I want to spray in there. So hopefully anything that is rusty in there will not spread. So we got a little bit of work to do before we can start on the outer rocker.
Getting there, slowly but surely.
All right, abrupt ending alert to this video. It's now almost June. I think the beginning of this video was probably shot in like January or February. And the last couple months, I just haven't had the time or the desire, the motivation, whatever you want to say, to get stuff done. I've had a lot of family stuff. I've had a lot of work stuff going on. And finally getting to the point where things are slowing down a bit and I can get back to work on this. I've been working on the Comanche over the last couple of days. So I will have an update in the next video. Honestly, I don't really know how this is all going to be edited together, so I'm not really sure exactly what to say I'm going to be working on, but there will be more Comanche content coming very soon. In the meantime, for sneak peeks of stuff, check Instagram at Second Chance Jeeps, and we'll see you in the next one.